All right, this is how you start the engines from, we have controls down here and you have controls up there. So this one is a little tricky. Gotta kind of you gotta kind of, I know this one's kind of, let me do this one first. That should come on. That's your, means your oil pressure. So you hear that and you press the start button. That puppy's running good. Hear it? Sounds good, huh? Oh yeah. Humming. Sucker starts up first time. You press start and then turn it off. This one, let's see, find a little, you have to find that little sweet spot. Let me see, maybe I got the wrong key. Let's see, let's put this key in. There we go. Then you press start. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That baby's pumping. Oh, we got extra long cables too. Real long cables. Super long. Like 30 foot or something like that. But hear that sucker humming? Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. 73, baby. You turn it off. Stop.